Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to export your Telegram recent contacts directly from the web Telegram page using your own account with no login, no APIs. So it's quite straightforward. You will need to use this extension called Mastros. I'm going to add it in the description. And you say how many chats you're looking to find. So I'll say for me, I want, I don't know, 35, and how many recent messages I want. So let's say, for example, you have many clients on Telegram, or you want to know, let's say, what this conversation is about, and so you know where to follow up. I'll normally put here 5, so I get a good grasp. I have shared the presentation, where was the last time we spoke. So just now, for make it quick, we'll put like this. So by doing that, you can then make your own analysis, for example, on ChatGPT, and it tells you, oh, you need to message to these last 10 people. So it's kind of like making a quick CRM on the go. Yeah, so when it's done, you can just download the CSV or JSONs. There are different formats. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.